Good morning, students. Today we are continuing with English Literature, Chapter 6, The Great Escape. We are going to read the rest of the chapter and try to understand. Dorothy, the Cowardly Lion, the Tin Woodman, and the Scarecrow were walking through the forest when they saw a ditch before them. It was a very wide and deep ditch with big pointed rocks at the bottom and steep sides. What shall we do? Asked Dorothy sadly. We must try and jump over it, said the Scarecrow. I think I could jump over it, said the Lion, after looking at the ditch carefully. Then you can carry us all over on your back one at a time, said the Scarecrow. I am terribly afraid of falling myself, said the Lion. But we must try. I will go first. If you cannot jump over the ditch and fall, it would not hurt me at all, said the Scarecrow. Okay, children. So the Dorothy, Cowardly Lion, Woodman, and Scarecrow, all the four people were going to the Emerald City. Okay? Now, when they were going, what did they see? A ditch. What is a ditch? Ditch means gadha. Okay? The ditch that you see between the roads, that is a ditch. But this was different. This was a lot bigger. Okay? As you can see in the image, the ditch was extremely big. Okay? Pointed rocks were at the bottom and it had steep sides. This made Dorothy sad. Dorothy sadly asked, "What shall we do? अब क्या करें हम?" Okay? Then the Scarecrow said, "We must try and jump over it." हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि हम इसके ऊपर से कूद जाए. But ditch तो बहुत बड़ा था. How can they jump over it? Okay? I think I could jump over it, said the Lion. Now lion can jump over a huge distance. So that is why the Lion said, I think I can jump over it. मैं शायद jump कर सकता हूँ. After looking at the ditch, you can see how the lion is looking at the ditch. Then you can carry us all over on your back one at a time, said the Scarecrow. हमें अपनी बैक पे बिठा के दूसरी साइड पहुंचा सकते हो. Okay? Scarecrow ने कहा lion से. You see in this photo how Dorothy is sitting on the lion. Okay? This is what idea the Scarecrow gave. Then the Scarecrow said to Lion that if you cannot jump, I'll go first. अगर तुम नहीं jump कर सकते हो तो मैं पहले चला जाता हूँ. Because Scarecrow is made up of stuffed straw. Okay? उसके अंदर घास भरी होती है. So even if the Scarecrow falls, it will not hurt him at all. So the Scarecrow said that if you cannot go first, I'll go first, because even if I fall, it will not hurt me at all. Okay? So they were giving different ideas how to get over that ditch, because they had to go to Emerald City to find the Wizard of Oz. Okay?